In front of me is Motorola Edge 6th Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then tap on Open under Google, choose Google Password Manager and hit Add Password. Now you need to input all of those informations, and when you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!